you people might be from the different parts of the country. So okay, so I'm going to introduce you some few countries, obviously not all of them, and maybe you could make a sentence using that. Zabit, can you say that? Zabit. Now Zabit means I live. Zapit, can you say that? Zapit. If you look at the word habit, there is a word habitat in it, right? Obviously you come here that sound the H, because in French we don't pronounce the H. Habit, okay? Instead of habit, it's habit. Now za means I, but we are going to find out all these things over the next few lessons, so don't panic too much. I'm just introducing you to some words. Zapit, I live. If you live in England, Zabit en Angleterre. Can you say that? Très bien, en Angleterre. J'habite en Angleterre. Well done. Very good. Now, if you live in France, j'habite en France. Right? J'habite en France. Well done. Bravo. But if I say j'habite en Espagne, where do I live? J'habite en Espagne. And that's right, that I live in Spain. Well done. What if I'll say j'habite en Italy? J'habite en Italy. Is it? Is it? It is easy. Should I say? We can say the accent in Italy is Italy itself, right? What if I said j'habite en Chine? J'habite en Chine. That's right. I live in China. Bravo. J'habite en Chine. Okay. What if I said to you j'habite en Inde? J'habite en Inde. Okay, that means I live in India. And last but not the least, for example, j'habite en Suisse. J'habite en Suisse. That's right. Swiss is Switzerland. Okay, but I'm missing out some millions of words, but a few thousand countries here. So don't panic. We cannot always, find out by yourself what your country is. So what you need to be very carefully is what comes before the country, the name. Okay, so the noun. Here I use en a lot. J'habite en Chine, j'habite en Angleterre, j'habite en Italy, j'habite en France. Okay, most of the time it is going to be en, because the country is of feminine gender. Now, don't panic too much now. We will find out what is feminine and masculine in all the lessons. So I don't want you to worry about that, right? If the country is of feminine gender, you use en. If it's masculine, you use o. Now, Japan. Japon is o, Japon. Portugal is o, Portugal. So you wouldn't say j'habite au Portugal. You would say j'habite au Portugal. J'habite au Japon. Right? Japon. And for plural, for example, for the United States, you would say j'habite au zitazuni. Now O is here again, O as an X, AUX, X as the end, right? Again, one of these, I would say, plural words, we can say, like Zabitox, United States, it's for, as it is plural word, right? So when we use ox for the plural, Zabit ox zutazuni, zitazuni, zitazuni is United States, right? Zabit o peiba, okay? Zabit o peiba, which means Netherlands, I guess. Yeah, okay, right? To recap, what's happening in this first lesson, so much information I have given you, and it's pretty simple introduced, right? So we have learnt, as we said, hello in French. Hello is bonjour. Bonjour. Très bien. Then I taught you how to say my name is. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Okay? Well done. Then I said, comment ça va? How are you? Comment ça va? Ça va bien? I'm okay. Ça va mal? I'm not okay. Ça va comme ci, comme ça? Okay, I'm like this, like that. I don't know, right? So then I said, il fait beau. It's sunny. Il fait beau, right? Or il pleut. It's raining. Il pleut, right? Okay. And then I told you where I came from. Okay? Zabit. I mean where I live. Not come from, I live, because you might come from France, but I live in, for example, England. So I would say j'habite en Angleterre. Okay? Right. That's recap. And listen carefully. Bonjour, je m'appelle Ethera. Aujourd'hui, ça va bien. Il fait beau. Il habite en Angleterre. Right. Okay. Well done. And it's very clear, isn't it? Well done. You have done so well for your first French lesson. Okay? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, The World Classroom.